Hello everybody, welcome to the Joy of Trucking. And Kevin and I are heading back out on the road together today. I've been here at my friend's Leah, and now we're going.
All right, get in the truck.
Get in the truck, let's go. I feel very sad leaving. There is a part of me that's excited to head back out, but it was a wonderful, wonderful summer with my friend Leah. So, all right, but we are off looking for new adventure. We're gonna bring you along. Excited?
Yeah, let's get to work, man. There's a stop sign.
I'm glad you remember that. This is Alligator River along the side of the road here as we're leaving the Outer Banks, and we are looking for alligators, but I don't see any yet.
At least they're not on the highway, like in Florida.
Yeah, that's true. And no crocodiles either.
No crocs here.
And now we are crossing over the Intercoastal Waterway. My dad and I came down on a sailboat many moons ago. Kevin, would you like to be here in your sailboat?
Nope.
Would you like to be here in a motorboat?
I think I'd like to kayak.
Kayak?
Yeah.
Okay, that sounds like fun. Kevin had to send a message because we don't actually have a load yet. We're just heading in the general direction of where Kevin thinks he might get a load.
We're just cruising.
Just
out for a drive in a Kenworth.
Yeah, you know, it's been a while for me.
Yeah. We'll stop for a smooch break.
Oh,
now.
a smooch break. Oh. Oh, that's nice.
And later, a picnic.
Yes. Hey, that's a good reason to bring your wife along. Kevin got a load.
Today
Hey, Kevin.
is the 20th
Of?
September. So you write it in this order. You write the date, the ID number, your trailer number, the plate.
No, we have another video for that. I'll put the link.
Well, that's what I'm doing.
I'll put the link up above. But can you just tell us where you're picking up and where we're going? This is very exciting.
Mileage, deadhead, empty, plate. So first I have an empty trailer reservation, 368. 659 is the trailer number at temporary DNC, temporary yard, North Carolina, back to Charlotte. 6 hours back to Charlotte.
Oh, no.
That's where I started out on Friday.
Okay, but it's paid miles because you're leaving home time. So that's good.
Yep. So we're gonna drive 6 hours. Charlotte drop yard. I don't even need the map, I know where it is. And our load. Another message. Yes, workflow, job received, thank you. So, we're gonna go get an empty in Charlotte. And then we're gonna go to Greensboro, North Carolina, which is back this way from Charlotte. And then we'll pick up at Evonik Stockhausen and take it to Joliet, Illinois, to the Werner terminal there, 705 miles, and drop it off. And the load is eventually going to Kimberly-Clark in Ogden, Utah.
Hey!
Wish we could get that one.
Oh, I'd like to keep going to Utah.
That would be a
and we
long
do a good
ride.
job when we do Kimberly-Clark.
Yeah,
We've delivered
we
that
love
a number
their
of times.
toilet paper.
We've done toilet paper, paper towels, we've done feminine hygiene products. Yeah, we know where that is.
All right, I gotta write all this stuff down now.
Okay.
Yes, I do. It's a sod farm.
Oh,
Yes, they're growing your lawn.
nice. Hey, when we had our landscaping business, sometimes we would bring in some sod. Yeah.
This looks like soybeans.
Yeah.
There's corn. It's probably cow corn, mostly.
Yeah. Hey, what do you think those are, Kevin?
Those could be drying huts for tobacco. These could be all tobacco fields in this area.
Yeah, that makes sense.
I don't think it's for livestock.
No.
There's too many.
Yeah. I think they do have that as a major crop here in the Carolinas.
See those towers? Those are feed hoppers. That's for grain. So maybe they are livestock. Maybe those are pig farms.
Oh. We don't see a sign anywhere.
They're not advertising.
No. Well, they also do a lot of pig farming in the Carolinas. So yeah. Interesting. And here, freshly paved. We just passed them doing that work.
And painted.
Yeah, very nice, very smooth. Beautiful day. Look at that sky. Look how juicy green.
And only 77 degrees.
77 degrees. That's
After a
lovely.
very hot, sweltering summer.
Yes. Nice. Future Highway 87.
ahead, stay on US 64 west as US 13 splits off.
Yeah. Soon she has to change what she says because it's turning into Highway 87. How do you feel about that, Kevin?
Well, it's already a 4-lane divided highway, fairly straight through beautiful country with good interchanges, so calling it an interstate when it already looks like one, I guess, is natural progression. I just hope it doesn't increase traffic flow.
Yeah, because this is a nice ride this
3 miles
morning.
ahead, stay on US 64 west.
There's usually not a lot of traffic on this road.
Yeah.
It's really nice.
Stay on US 64 west as US 13 splits off.
But we're not going that way.
Yeah, we're very happy we're not going in that direction. Sorry, everybody. But luckily, it's just construction. Not an accident. Keep the roads safe, people. Alrighty, so we just got off 87. What are we doing, Kevin?
Just the 440 loop around Raleigh, North Carolina. And then we'll head up to Durham, North Carolina.
Wondering about that box. That's a book ride. Ah, he just pulled in front of us.
gen mode. You know, we've been driving down the highway for the last 6 hours.
Thirsty truck. All right, let's go for a little walk.
Yep. Get out of the truck.
Okay, we have established we have not been here before, but look how nice. Big trees, places to walk. Oh, and then there's Kevin and a bunch of trucks. Ooh, look at the pretty blue one. Busy place. All right, get the blood pumping in our legs once around. Oh, here comes your package. Yes?
Olathe, Kansas.
Oh. What you got there?
Chocolate mousse. Homemade chocolate mousse.
Chocolate mousse. Thank you, Leah.
Mousse.
Yeah. Nice little snack for your break.
Yeah.
Paired with your homemade banana bread that you made.
Yes.
Deliciousness all around.
Good treats.
Alrighty. Back on the road. Here we go.
Ramp 940 West.
So we are past Raleigh, Durham, and heading near Greensboro now, right?
Yep.
And then we're
Alamance.
we're in Alamance rest stop, and oh look, Guilford County, and then we're heading to Charlotte.
0.6 miles ahead.
Get
Left
that
on
trailer.
I-85 south.
Hey, did you have any messages?
Nope.
So the plan is still get the empty at the drop yard.
Yep.
All right. Well, I haven't seen the new drop yard, so this will be exciting and fun. See something new. The old one was very dusty. Let's see if there's any improvement. Alrighty, we're heading to Sugar Creek Road here in Charlotte. And we've been on the road, what, 6 hours? Just about?
3 miles ahead, take exit 41 and then turn left
No?
on West Sugar Creek Road,
How many hours?
2480 south.
7.5.
Oh, we left Kill Devil Hill 7.5 hours
Take
ago.
exit 41 and then turn left on West Sugar Creek Road,
many
route
stops.
2480 south.
Too much stop.
Yeah, we stopped a lot. And we had an extra little project. But,
Turn
anyway.
left on West Sugar
Okay.
Creek Road, route 2480
Let's go
south,
find
then
the
turn
drop
left.
yard. It's a new one, so I'm excited to go see it. Hey, here's somebody in a vest now.
There'll be some construction and we'll have to get in that lane.
Turn around at a safe location.
She's
What?
upset now. She thinks we're going the wrong way.
What? She just told us to go this way.
Yeah.
Now she's
Turn
changed
around
her
at a
mind.
safe location.
This
We should
guy's
go the other way.
riding the white line here. Careful. Oh my goodness.
So this is Sugar Creek Road. We used to turn right here on Tryon Road and go 2 blocks, and then turn left to go to the old drop yard.
Oh yeah, this is the really old church. Oh,
Old,
that's a
old
truck.
church.
Oh, there's the super old church.
Yeah.
Yes.
And see how they spell
Sugar Creek, and there's downtown. Right. Those of you who have been here with us before, you remember we had a nice video showing downtown. Actually, a couple of them. But yeah, Sugaw Creek, S-U-G-A-W, Presbyterian. I can't see the date from here. Can you slightly, oh, I can see the word church now. I think it's, was it 16 or 17 something? There, established. 1755, you can see it?
Yeah.
That's old. Nice. Alright, so yes, we used to go down that way to the old drop yard. And now, there's a new drop yard. Where are we going? Straight ahead?
Yeah.
Okay.
3 miles ahead, turn left on Greensboro Street.
Ooh, construction. This is tight. Oh, look at that guy's mirror sticking way over.
Oh, yeah. Look on Google Maps satellite view, this bridge is all just torn apart.
Wow.
So this we worked with them on here for a long time.
Yeah.
Left on Greensboro
This guy
Street.
sticking his nose out. Come on, buddy.
Come on in. Oh, he's got,
He's got what? He's got
his lights were blinking, but then they stopped.
Is that
What's he
gonna go
doing?
forward?
Oh, I think they stalled. I think he stalled out.
Nuts. He's blocking the whole road.
I think he stalled.
He's waiting for me. It wasn't even necessary.
2 miles ahead, turn left on Raleigh Street.
Did he go now? Oh, well, how strange.
As I passed him, he started.
Wow. Ah, look at this pattern on the building. That's hilarious. Like a Scottish kilt.
Left on Raleigh Street.
Okay. So, this is the way.
If you went down that road, you'd wind up at the lot.
And what?
At the old lot.
Okay.
Miles to 4357 Raleigh Street on the left.
Same truck.
Oh, I see a Swifty Swift. Oh,
They were at the end of the lot too.
4357 Raleigh Street on the left.
Bit rough here.
What are these boats? And Werner. Oh, I see Werner's over there. Well, it's not a dirt parking lot here. Oh no. Oh no.
We got the dirt area.
Oh no.
Everybody else is fine.
But this is not just Werner, these are different ones in here too, right?
Yeah, we're only allowed to park on the left and the back.
Hey, that looks like the same booth. They must have brought it over here. Hey, it's not the same outhouse? Think so.
You're not allowed to use it.
Nope. Security only. Ah, I got in trouble last time. They put on the lock.
Yeah.
Okay. We're here for the empty. Okay, well, we found our trailer, but somebody else's bobtail is parked in front of it, still hooked up, and we can't find the driver. So, what to do now? Okay, so you knocked on the door, nobody's in there.
Nope.
What are we gonna do now?
Call it in.
Call it in?
Yeah.
All right, because Kevin actually walked through the whole yard and couldn't find any other empties. Everything has a seal on it here for split loads. So we have come very far. And so far, fruitless. But remember, he is getting paid deadhead miles coming back from his home time. So let's see what happens. Okay.
So I sent a message saying the trailer is here, my empty trailer is here, but it's hooked up to a truck and nobody's in the truck. And there are no other empties here. I checked the yard. Guess I can go check again while I'm waiting for a response.
Yeah, or you could call. Might get a faster response.
No, once I get this message, they'll get on it.
Okay. You're gonna go look one more time?
Yep. And the girl just brought that trailer in. She said it's not empty.
Oh,
She'll
darn.
be looking for an empty too.
Oh no!
Yep.
Not enough trailers. We need more trailers. So I actually looked inside here just now. The doors are locked and there is absolutely no sign that somebody's actually using that truck. There is nothing in there. So maybe somebody came and was fed up and dropped it there and took all their stuff and left. That's my guess at this point because, like I said, nothing inside. Yeah, very strange. Anyway, blocking the only empty trailer here at the yard. So let's see how this story develops. Scavenger. New trailer comes in. Kevin runs. There's no seal on it. He's hopeful. Oh, and I gotta show you this nice decoration here. Look at, happy Easter. It's a little,
it's falling apart. I'm gonna have to get me one for the fall.
Are you okay to be in my video? You could, oh, yeah, okay, she's good. Tell us about your whole wreath collection, because it's definitely not Easter. What's your name?
My name is Lisa.
Lisa.
Yes. And I have a friend of mine that lives up in Ohio, and we met actually playing bingo online.
Oh, wow.
So she took a liking to me, and then she decided that she was going to give me a gift, and she sent me a wreath.
Oh.
Because she heard that I was a truck driver.
Oh.
So I had that wreath, and now it's kind of falling apart. I'm actually surprised it lasted this long.
Yeah, it's pretty good.
And I don't know what kind of glue she used, but I need to find out.
Might be cement. I don't know.
So I'm actually about to replace it. I'm going to get maybe something for the fall or Christmas.
Right?
I'm not sure yet.
Because that's coming.
That's coming.
That's
It's right
coming.
around the corner.
Well, I love it. We used to have a landscaping company, and we always put Christmas wreaths on the front of all our trucks. Yeah. Well, nice to meet you.
Hi.
All right, so no empty to be had here. And no outhouse for the drivers. What? And I'm not asking because it looked like the same guy who got all upset with me just because they write in small letters security only. Yeah. Anyway, so we'll have to find a rest stop.
They put a padlock on it.
Yeah, he put a padlock on it last time. That's right. Because I used it and he got all upset about it.
That.
That's for security only. I'm secure.
And you're not a driver.
I'm pretty secure.
You don't want drivers using it. You're not a driver.
That's right. I'm not a driver. Shouldn't have been an issue, you know? It's a little different for women than it is for men. So, anyway. So now they're sending us back to Greensboro to a Lowe's distribution center, which is hilarious. How many miles?
90 miles.
90 miles.
On Greensboro Street.
90 miles. Something fell. Back in the direction that we just came from. So yeah, it's now 4:30. I've been up since 5:15, and we don't even have a trailer yet. Crazy. Anyway, all right. The saga continues. Stay tuned. Okay.
This is weird.
Yeah. Let's see. No firearms allowed. Maybe they come out and chat with you. Hello. We'd really like an empty trailer. Please. Okay. We've decided Kevin's gonna go in. course, we just saw the security person get in her car. Okay. All right. Find us a trailer, please, Kevin. Lots of trailers. Oh, I even see a Werner one. Ho, 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 ho. Okay. Signing some paperwork. Height, weight, favorite color. Okay, they lifted up the gate arm. Kevin's coming back with a piece of paper. And this is looking encouraging.
She says it's here.
Yay! Alright, let's find it.
Spot.
Ooh. E108. Okay. Let's get that trailer. All in a day's work. Quite literally.
I see a Werner trailer there.
Yeah, I saw that one. Okay. So this is a Lowe's distribution center, but we are here just hoping to get that empty. And that is it. Fantastic. Okay. That's the one we spotted. It seems to be the only Werner one here. That's funny.
These are all empty.
Ta-da! Oh my God, that's so wonderful. Don't know if I've ever been so happy to see an empty trailer. So good at that. Wow. Okay, Kevin.
Yeah.
Hey. Did you get a trailer? No? Uh-oh.
License plate.
Oh, license plate number. Okay. It was a day's work, but Kevin, do we have a trailer?
We have a trailer. At 6:30 at night, we finally got a hold of an empty trailer.
Crazy.
So now we can go pick up the load that we should have picked up this afternoon, but I think they're closed now, so we'll have to go tomorrow morning with this empty trailer and get it loaded.
Yeah. So can you make any of the other timelines with it?
No, but that's up to the fleet manager if they think, whether we're going to split it somewhere or whether they just call the customer and say it'll be a day later or whatever. That's their job. They'll let us know what to do.
Okay.
And I just sent a message saying, you still want me to pick up that load? It'll be tomorrow morning. So they have an idea of my timeline right now.
Right. Because you have hit, we're almost done with the 11.
We're almost done, but also
No time left.
it's a live load.
Right.
And they don't load after 3 o'clock. Now
Right.
it's 6:30 at night. So we can't pick up that load if we wanted to.
Right. So, hey, why don't we
Let's
take the
go.
rest of the night off?
Let's go find some place to sleep.
Okay, we'll let you know where we end up. Let's go. They're letting us keep the trailer? That's very exciting. Okay, and look, we were very lucky. Look at the lineup now. Wow. We came just in the nick of time.
Good timing.
Yeah. Okay. Let's go find a place.
It's a rest stop. It's like the last one we stopped.
Alamance Rest Stop. Hey! Now we're on
Eastbound.
the eastbound side.
Look at all the spots. It's good.
Okay, well this is where we're gonna spend the night.
We're going to take the right-hand spot so your window doesn't have any trucks next to it.
Oh, that's
okay?
nice of you. I don't know if you can hear him, but he's saying we're gonna snuggle in here with the right-hand side
Unless
to the
somebody-
trees.
unless somebody pulls up and parks in the lane. And this is,
Oops, sorry, that was a bad videoing job. I had it on the plastic part here. Okay. Oh, punishable by law, not death, thank God, to use catch basin and parking lots as urinals and toilets. What? Oh, where's that lighting?
bad truckers stayed here.
Yeah. Okay. Catch basins. What
Does that
about
mean
just
the
here on?
sinks?
What about on the
Does that
lawn?
mean the sinks in the bathroom?
Can you just go
It's a
on the
basin.
lawn? I don't know.
Just
It
go down
says
there in
catch
the trees.
basins. Oh, I see. Right there, the drain. So don't pee in the drain, or worse. Don't do anything worse in that drain either. Okay. Well, here we are out in nature. Wonderful. It's been a long, hard day, man. Looking just to get an empty.
There we go.
Oh boy. Okay, Kevin. Tell me, how many miles did we drive today?
We drove 477 miles today in our desperate attempt to get an empty trailer.
Yeah. And what about your clocks? Where are they at?
Still 2 3/4 hours left on the clocks.
The driving and.
And the 14-hour
14.
workday clock, yeah.
Okay.
Final.
And we made a little dent in the 70 hour. Yay! And we have it empty. We should attach it with some extra chains so nobody comes and steals it from us tonight. Hang on to your empties. Alrighty. Well, that's it. Any other wise words?
No, I sent a message saying we'll pick up the live load tomorrow morning when they open, and I got a reply, understood, have sent a message to the customer to let them know. So,
Okay.
it's all arranged.
Let's take the rest of the day off. Okay, so yeah, that was my first day back out on the road.
Wasn't a long day.
Wasn't so long, but it was kind of crazy. And
We're just driving.
just driving around, having some fun. Looking, it's like a treasure hunt we did. Find that trailer, but we got it, and it was really nice spending the whole day with Kevin. Oh, gonna have another kiss? And where's that picnic?
We're at the picnic ground
We're
right
at the
here.
picnic grounds. Anyway,
Bring the cooler out.
okay. Hey, thanks for joining us today for an entire day. Life of a Werner Trucking solo OTR driver. Not so solo now. And like the video if you liked it. Give us that thumbs up. Comments and questions below. And hit the subscribe button. Thank you. And that notification bell if you want to keep coming along, discovering the roads of America and finding out where they hide the trailers. Shh. With love from Kevin and Tanya.
Good night.
Bye.